Welcome, in front of me is a PHILIPS Xenium X588, and today I will show you how to access factory mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold volume down and power key. So volume down, power, start holding up both of these keys at the same time and let them go once you see the Philips logo on the screen. So you can let go now. Now if you hold it for a little bit too long, the device will shut off again. So all you need to do is just let go and start holding both of the keys again and just try to let go of it sooner. So from the factory mode, you will navigate using volume down only, as you can see. And from here you can run, the first option is basically a automatic test, which will test all the components of the device. Then it's a manual one where you get to choose all each part individually. Then you have some logs from the test, and then you have eMMC, which is our hard reset. Then you get system information and reboot. So I'm just gonna choose the reboot option to leave this mode and confirm it with power key, like so. And basically everything is being confirmed with the power key, whatever you have selected. And now I'm just gonna wait till the device boots back up into the normal Android. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would boot into and out of the factory mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.